What's going on, guys? Welcome to the workshop here at Hidden Homestead. My name is David, and today I'm going to show you how I repaired a few of the rotten logs that I had when I rebuilt the old barn a few years ago. All right, so a few years ago when I rebuilt the log barn, I had some extra footage of how I repaired and replaced the logs that were rotten. If you want to watch any of that footage, you can see the playlist. You can go to the playlist right here and see that whole barn build. But basically, I had a few logs structurally that were not sound, but they had some good pieces yet on them. So I was able to cut those pieces out and take the logs that just had surface rot on them and basically did a face scabbing. I don't know the correct terminology, but that's what we're going to call it. So yeah, this video will go through the process of how I was able to do that. All right, hopefully you got something out of that video. Hopefully you liked it. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. That's greatly appreciated. Helps us out when you do stuff like that. And you could also hit the thumbs down button. But if you do that, go ahead and leave a comment of why you didn't like the video. You do that, leave a comment anyway. That'd be awesome. Consider subscribing to the channel if you've not already done so, hitting that little bell icon so you know when I put out whatever video I put out. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram. We're also on Patreon. That would be awesome. Speaking of which, I want to give a quick shout out to my most recent Patreons, Josh and Steven. Thank you so much. Thank you for believing in me and following along with this, whatever I'm doing. Sometimes I don't even know what I'm doing, but thank you for believing in me and thinking I know what I'm doing. I guess that's it. Until next time, take care. I don't know what that was, but anyway, take care. All right, guys, thanks. Shit. I had some raw social media, Facebook, crack on that. Just love you guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.